Hello and welcome to Hero Tech Systems. This is Lab 6 of our CCNA Cisco Packet Tracer Lab series. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create LAN extensions by connecting switches in Cisco Packet Tracer. To begin, we'll simulate the switch in Cisco Packet Tracer and connect 3 pieces to it. I'm going to bring up my switch. I'll drag my switch to the work area and I'll bring up 3 pieces. And I'll connect PC12 to port 1 of switch 4. I'll connect PC13 to port 2 and PC14 to port 3. And what I'm going to do right now is to assign the network address for the network. I'll be using 192.168.1.0 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. The valid IP range, the IP addresses that we assign to the PCs will be 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.254. So I'll assign the IP addresses to the PCs on this switch. PC12 would be assigned the first IP address, the first valid IP address. So 192.168.1.1. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So what I'm going to do here is, to make things a bit faster, I'll just copy this IP. So I copied the IP address. I'll copy the IP address. I'll copy. And I'll go to PC13 and paste the IP address. So it says this address is already used because I've assigned 1.1 to PC12. So what I'll do is I'll paste again and change the last digits of the IP address to 2. And then I'll do the same thing for PC14. I'll repeat the process. I'll paste and change the last digit to 3 for PC14. So 192.168.1.3. And I'll assign it the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Okay, so if you have a scenario where your PCs have occupied all the ports on the switch and you want to extend your local area network, you can connect 2 switches together and assign your new PCs to the other switch, and the PCs on the initial switch and the new switch will still be on the same network. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to bring up another switch. And I will click on my connections and use a crossover cable, and I'll connect both switches on any of the ports. It doesn't really matter. So I'm using the gigabit ports, and I'll bring up 2 PCs. So I'll bring up one PC and another PC, connect them to the switch, which is switch 5. So port 1, PC15 is connected to port 1 of switch 5, and PC16 is connected to port 2 of switch 5 rather. And I'm going to assign PC15 the IP address. The last IP address on switch 4 was assigned 192.168.1.3. So I'm going to continue with that. I'll paste my IP address and give this PC an IP address of 192.168.1.4 and the same subnet mask, and also assign PC16 its IP address in the same subnet mask. This will be 1.5. So it is the subnet mask that determines whether PCs are on the same network. So I'm going to close this. Everything is set and ready. And now I'm going to ping between my PCs. I'll first of all ping between the PCs in switch 4. So PC 12 to 13. You can see successful. PC 12 to 14 is successful. PC 15 to 16 is successful. And now I can ping with the PCs in the two switches. So PC 12, PC 15 is successful, and PC 13 to PC 16 is successful. PC 14 to PC 15 is successful, and PC 14 to PC 16 is successful. So this is how to create LAN extensions, and this is how to connect two switches in Cisco Packet Tracer. If you found this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload new labs, you'll get notified. And I also want you to try out this lab and let me know if you're able to get the PCs to ping across the switch-to-switch connections. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next